What's up, guys? Working on your bike shouldn't mean hurting your back or struggling with unstable stands. If you want a safe and sturdy way to elevate your ride, you are looking for the best motorcycle scissor lift. We love testing the most reliable garage gear right here on Tech Product to make your life easier. Let's get started. Designed for users who need a rock-solid platform in their garage, the Orion Motorcycle Scissor Lift is an absolute game-changer. It is a highly practical and totally dependable solution created to simplify all of your motorcycle maintenance tasks. Whether you are changing the oil, cleaning the chain, or doing some serious repair work, this Orion lift takes the heavy lifting completely out of the equation. One of the most important things to consider with any lift is exactly how much weight it can safely handle. The Orion Motorcycle Scissor Lift is incredibly impressive in this specific area, confidently supporting a massive weight capacity of up to 1,100 pounds. This exceptionally high weight limit means the lift is perfectly suited for a massive variety of bikes. You can easily lift heavy cruisers, rugged dirt bikes, and other large motorcycles without breaking a sweat or worrying about the stand buckling under the pressure. Nobody wants to spend their precious weekend putting together complicated garage equipment. That is exactly why Orion gave this lift a fully ready-to-use design right out of the box. You do not have to worry about any complex assembly manuals or frustrating setup steps. You can literally take it out of the packaging, slide it directly under your bike, and begin your maintenance work immediately. This simple approach makes routine servicing so much more efficient and easily accessible for both beginner riders and highly experienced mechanics alike. Getting your motorcycle off the ground safely becomes an incredibly smooth and totally controlled process thanks to the included T-handle mechanism. This thoughtfully designed handle gives you excellent leverage, allowing for extremely easy and precise height adjustment as you twist it. If you happen to want even more speed and convenience, the lift is cleverly designed so it can also be operated using a standard 3/8-inch socket and a ratchet wrench. This brilliant feature gives you multiple ways to raise your bike depending on what tools you already have handy in your garage workspace. Speaking of raising your bike, this piece of equipment offers a truly fantastic operating range. It starts with a very low profile of just 3.7 inches when fully collapsed. This low starting point is incredibly useful because it easily slides under sports bikes or custom cruisers that sit very close to the ground. From there, the mechanism can raise your motorcycle all the way up to a maximum height of 14.6 inches. This generous lifting range provides a much more comfortable working height for you. It significantly reduces the painful strain on your back and your knees while also improving your visual precision during delicate engine repairs or wheel cleaning. Total stability is absolutely crucial when you have an expensive heavy motorcycle suspended in the air. The Orion lift tackles this major concern with a wonderfully wide deck that measures 9.1 by 14.6 inches in size. This generous surface area creates a highly secure platform that actively helps prevent any tipping or dangerous shifting while the motorcycle is elevated. This added width tremendously enhances overall balance, giving you complete peace of mind and confidence when you are applying hard torque to stubborn bolts or performing heavy maintenance tasks on your motorcycle. To make things even safer, the top of the lift features a premium thick rubber tabletop. This specialized rubber surface dramatically improves the grip against the slippery metal frame of your bike. It ensures that the motorcycle remains firmly locked in place throughout the entire lifting process. As a fantastic bonus, this thick rubber padding also protects your expensive paint and delicate metal finish from getting scratched or damaged by bare steel contact. When you are trusting a tool to hold up your prized motorcycle, the overall build quality means everything. Orion constructed this entire lift from heavy-duty steel, ensuring exceptional durability and true long-term use. You can feel exactly how solid and rugged it is the moment you pick it up. On top of that tough construction, it features a fantastic corrosion-resistant design. This protective outer finish helps maintain both the structural strength and the sleek appearance over time, even if you are constantly using it in a highly demanding, dirty or humid workshop environment. Finally, the structural integrity of this lift is taken to the next level through its advanced plug welding and double crossbar structure. The incredibly strong double crossbars prevent the lifting arms from twisting or bending under heavy loads, while the premium plug welding ensures that every single metal joint is completely secure. Together, these brilliant engineering design choices deliver flawlessly reliable performance with every single use. Combining all this robust strength, incredible stability, and wonderful ease of operation, the Orion Motorcycle Scissor Lift is easily one of the most dependable tools you can own for maintaining your motorcycle safely and efficiently. Give your garage the upgrade it deserves and make motorcycle maintenance fun and easy again. Check the price link in the description. Like and subscribe to Tech Product for more awesome garage and tool videos. Have a great day and ride safe.